Whiteboard explainer videos have proven to be highly effective in driving conversions. Do you want to grow your business or promote your service in a better way? Do you want to stay ahead of your competitors and maximize your revenue without spending too much money? Well, stop searching and start celebrating, because we have everything that you need. You can reach your target audience with whiteboard animation videos. No need to spend thousands of dollars on advertisements. Just send me a script, an idea or sample you want, and I will design the best whiteboard animation video for your business or services. I also provide script writing, voiceover, background music, and unlimited revisions because your satisfaction is our top priority. Your audience will be fascinated with the power of our drawing style, attracting high-paying customers and putting more money in your pockets. So what are you waiting for? Start promoting your business with whiteboard animation videos. Contact us today or order now.